Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala ashraf rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Honorable judges and all my beloved audience, today I would like to talk to you about Islam, a religion often misunderstood in today's world. Islam at its core is a religion of peace. Peace is a fundamental concept in Islam. The word Islam itself means peace and submission to God. Muslims are encouraged to seek peace in all aspects of their lives, whether it is through their interaction with others, their personal conduct, or their relationship with the environment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, La ikraha fid din, indeed there is not forcing religion. Dears, Islam promotes peace through its teaching of compassion, justice, and forgiveness. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, emphasizes the importance of treating others with kindness and respect. Regardless of their faith or background, it is Muslim to be just and fair in their dealings with others, to show mercy and forgiveness, and to promote harmony and understanding. Throughout history, Muslims have demonstrated the principle of peace through their actions. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was known for his kindness, compassion, and peaceful nature. Islam also condemns violence and extremism. Acts of terrorism and violence committed in the name of Islam are not representative of the religion. They go against the principle of peace and justice that Islam promotes. It is important for us to separate the action of a few individuals from the beliefs and teaching of entire religion. Islam is a diverse faith with millions of followers around the world who strive to learn more about Islam. In conclusion, Islam is a religion that promotes peace. It encourages its followers to live in harmony. It encourages its followers to live in harmony and to seek peaceful solution to conflicts. Let us try to learn more about Islam and to promote understanding. Today with this I would like to conclude. Thank you and have a nice day. Wa akhir da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.